The burning issue of the day is, of course, no other than the impeachment of Vice President Sara Duterte. It actually set the political environment on fire. Pero marami pa rin mga katanungan na hindi naliliwanagan ng ating mga taong bayan. Halimbawa, what happens now? Tinanggap ka ng Senado yung impeachment complaint, pero nag-adjourn sila until June 2, 2025, which means that this set of senators, itong mga senador ngayon, will only have effectively 28 days to deliberate on the matter or to hear the case. Kasi ang mangyayari dyan, according to lawyers I've talked to, ay parang hearing yan. You remember the ERAP impeachment or the impeachment of Supreme Court Justice Renato Corona? Parang hearing yun eh. The Senate President will act as the presiding officer, and the members of the Senate ay parang members ng jury. So, it's not gonna be fast. Hindi maging madali, no? Sapagkat magkakaroon ng hearing, presentation of evidence, kaya mayroong legal team yung Congress to prosecute the impeachment case. Pero, tatagal yan. At ang mangyayari, maaring hindi matapos noong mga incumbent na senators who will come back on June 2, yung even the presentation of evidence and the hearing of the case. So, effectively, talagang aabutin nito ng bagong set ng mga senador na uupo by noon time of June 30. So, maraming mga katanungan, and on Saturday, sa ating programang Paring Gob, from 12 to 12:30 noon, 12:30 in the afternoon, carried live on Facebook and yung ating carrier station, DXMD, and 10 other radio stations. I will be inviting a legal expert at pag-uusapan natin itong legal implications, di ba pang mga katanungan about the impeachment of Vice President Sara Duterte. Kung meron kayong mga katanungan, please post your questions in this video that I'm posting today para ma-present ko doon sa ating mga legal experts at masagot natin on Saturday. So we have a date, Saturday, that's 12 noon to 12:30 in the afternoon. Pag-uusapan natin yung impeachment case against Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte.